Okay, back to the drawing. Time to add colour. Also known in design as rendering. So you need to consider a light source. I'm going to go for the light source coming from over and above and to the left. It will be light, medium, dark tones. Just 3 values to get a nice three-dimensional shape. So we'll start with light tone first. So any face facing to the left will be a bit lighter, and then any face on the right will be the dark tone, whereas the top will be a light tone. So let's lay down the medium tone first on the left. When laying marker down, you need to let it sort of blend in. So you lay a lot of ink in and it feeds into each other, or blends in, and you won't get any pen marks then. And you can leave a slight gap in what you're doing in the colour, so that shows it's kind of a reflective surface where it catches the light, and we can accentuate that with a fine liner at the end of the drawing. Okay, again, so we have the colour laid down on the left hand side, the medium tone, and I'll carry on. Everything facing this way will be in this medium tone. Okay, carrying on, adding the colour for the medium tone. Okay, most surfaces here are now covered with the medium tone. Now let's move to the dark tone, because the light tone is already given by the top surface, which is white. So let's move to the darker tone now. I'm going to start with the bottom of this tubular walkway. And you can go over the line, it doesn't matter because it's a sketch type quality anyway. And again, get this colour laid down really quickly. And if you do want that sketch type quality, just try not to be too precious with it, but it takes a bit of practice. Okay. Okay, time to add some sort of glass detail, window detail. This here, if we think about some highlights. And when we have the fine line at the end, you'll see it all come together. I can also use the greys again to add the values. What's great about these markers, you can use the other side, which you've got a small tip, which is really excellent to use on these detail bits here. Okay. Yeah, I think we have another walkway. Yeah, some sketch, some render sort of overrun can look, I say, quite nice. I keep mentioning sort of sketch quite quality. It's fast and loose. Okay, so we've got light tone, which is the white top surface, of the medium tone, which is from my left, and the dark tone from the right, as the light source is from the top left. Okay, now look at, we've got now to sort of go over the drawing, check what we have. Make sort of glass module here. Get the surface going like this. Okay. Okay. Now, one feature of the markers, we can use the greys with the blues to add shadow. So if I want to darken up the left hand side, I can select the big tip here and I can just go over it, and you can sort of darken up one side. That's what you can do with these markers. You can overlay colours and build colours up. That's what they're designed to do. And you can accentuate any shadow detail. Double layer there, so let's just have that. Like that. Okay. Okay. Right. In fact, I'm going to have another window inside here. Back. Okay. Right. So we have this drawing now at the moment. So we've got the colour on there. Now it's not quite finished yet. We need to add the fine liner. That fine liner is what kind of ties the drawing together. So at the moment, these are the two drawings where this is without the fine liner. Which you can see in terms of the reflection, there's no dark area where the light stops. So it's about lights and darks. So we add the fine liner. It gives that sort of reality, the real touch. So let's just add the fine liner now, and then hopefully it should bring it all together. And you can give things a sort of reflective surface as well. And also, if you missed any bits, you can go back and finish them off. I've noticed a couple of bits that need doing. go over and touch a few bits up. Just kind of a shadow near key points. Just give it a bit of depth here and there. Going to just highlight some of these edges, just give them a little bit of form. Let the marker dry a little bit and then follow them through. I think we're pretty much there or thereabouts. Just going to add a few more lines just to accentuate a couple of things. Okay. These little details can make all the difference.